This is how my farm looked yesterday. You can see all and stuff. Everywhere, weed everywhere, and some are falling out. So that's what I did. I changed everything, and I put this. This is strings holding tomatoes up again, so you don't see them on the floor. Before they were on the floor, many of them were on the floor. So that was strings. Put them all up. Push them all up. As you can see now, there's a clear pathway. There are no more tomatoes on the ground. No more pepper on the ground. It's all clear now. And I got out all the leaves that were in the way of getting the cucumber. So I got all the leaves cut out. The leaves were already grown, and now I've got some new leaves which have stand up. You can see So it's all a welcome thing. My farm is getting better. I can see. Yes. I can see. You can see the tomatoes are getting bigger. They're getting riper. So I'm going to extend that. Extend the roof. I'm going to extend all the tomatoes. They have got to go up. So I don't want anything lying around, lying on the ground. You see, like this tomato already formed a circle. It's already going back to the floor. Instead of that, I just drew it up and I got it up to the top. I got it with a string, and I put a pool up there. And so now my tomatoes are going well. I can see. We think the tomatoes are doing well.